Are you looking to get beautiful eyelash extensions that's long lasting and look fabulous? Then keep watching this video where I'll show you exactly how they are done at one of the best lash salons in the DMV area. Lashes by Katie and Skincare is one of the leading experts in eyelash extensions in the DC area, and in this video I'm going to take you behind the scenes of the lashing process so you can see firsthand how eyelash extensions are done right, the way it should be. So sit back, relax, and watch as I show you exactly how eyelash extensions are done by these leading experts. First, let's go over what eyelash extensions are. Eyelash extensions are synthetic fibers that are attached to your natural lashes one at a time. Lash extensions are so popular because they offer length, volume, and darkness that mascara can't. It'll last for weeks and is waterproof, sweat-proof, and even sleep-proof. Meaning you can wake up and go about your day without worrying about how you look. Literally wake up and go. There are three main types: classic, hybrid, and volume. Classic is when each individual natural eyelash gets one extension. On the other end of the spectrum, volume is when each natural eyelash gets multiple extensions, but they're thinned and fanned out, hence the fluffier look. And hybrid is just a mixture of the two. As we move into the lashing process, first things first, we have to place some hydrogel eye pads down to protect the cheeks and the bottom lashes. Then we can go into the actual lashing process, where you can see that each natural lash is isolated and then one extension is placed per lash. This is a brown classic set, meaning it is one extension per eyelash with brown lashes, but you have options of brown or black or even other colors. It doesn't matter if you get a classic or a volume, but full sets range from like an hour and a half to 2 hours, and refills are every 2 to 3 weeks, with results lasting for weeks. What's the key takeaway? Lash extensions are a popular and convenient low-maintenance way to just wake up and go. Because they're waterproof, they're perfect for vacations, weddings, proms, events, or just a busy day-to-day lifestyle. What lash style do you like best? Is it classic, hybrid, or volume? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you guys next time.